Hello and welcome to makeitbreakitfixit.com. This video is the Arduino portion for the chicken coop door opener and closer. The Arduino portion is very simple. All it does is opens a serial link, listens for the signal to either open or close the door. This is the servo that must be driven. This is to open and close it. It just goes 90 degrees, and this wire over here will pull the door open and close. It all runs on 5 volts. The PWM signal for the servo is sent through this yellow pin over here, and we'll plug that into pin number 9. The red is for power, that's plus 5 volts, and then the black is for ground. Make sure you connect it to the same ground as the Arduino. Then we've got over here for the breadboard, we just plug in the red wire into VCC. That'll provide us 5 volts into the 5 volt rail of the breadboard, and again ground to the ground rail of the breadboard. That's all there is to it. Make sure you load up the code onto this thing. There is a Boolean variable on this called testing. If you change that variable to true and then load up the code, it will put this device into testing mode, so you should actually just cycle open and close every 10 seconds. So here we go, I'm going to power it up. And there we have it. So it's in testing mode at the moment. Opening and closing. Just make sure that it works before you go any further. The best thing to do is just as you're building these more complicated projects, you just test each portion as you go, and then put them together and test to make sure that the communication between each portion works. Okay, thank you.